I would definitely recommend Australian laser and skin clinics to all of my friends. I actually already have. Anyone who asks me what I've had done, I immediately direct them to the website. I tell them exactly what I had done and actually tell them who I used as well, because my skin therapist was fabulous.
The results after all my treatments was amazing. I felt like $1 million because you gain all that confidence back going into the streets, going in public again, just you don't have to put nothing on your skin to make you feel better. So yeah, I felt amazing after all my treatments were done.
I would instantly recommend it to all of my friends and family, only because I know it would work for them. If it works for me, it would work for them.
And I was just gobsmacked by the kind of results that I was getting. So it's working for me, and like I said, I would highly recommend to any mums out there who are feeling that little bit insecure and just wanting that bit of help, emotionally, mentally, whatever. If they need that, I completely understand because I went through it.
So family and friends that have had similar skin concerns to myself, I've definitely recommended them just because it is such a comforting and welcoming environment, and they're able to help you. They tell you point blank what it is to expect. These are the results we can help you achieve, and yeah, you don't have to worry about anything. They're just here to help, which is great. So yeah, definitely would recommend.
The therapists at Australian Laser and Skin Clinics were very professional and knowledgeable in their field, and made me feel at ease straight away.